It's very see-through. Oh my gosh. Woo! This is see-through. Boy, you gotta be wearing some. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Resilient Curls, also known as Lala. And for today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing my first SHEIN Try On haul for you today. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. And if throughout the video you see any pieces that you like, I will link every outfit that I have on so that you can check them out for yourselves and purchase if you'd like. So let's get this video started. So this is the first dress that I got. For me personally, I love midi dresses, so majority of my fits are like midi dresses, so they go past my knees. So I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so you can see the full effect. But my first impression for this dress is that I love the fit, but damn, it's see-through. Bye, dude.
We stay happy. I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby.
So I do have this in a couple of different colors. So again, it is very see-through, so I recommend wearing black undergarments.
We could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right.
And I love the fit. It's body fitting and it's a midi dress. Very comfortable, very breathable. Love it. You could also wear this as like a cover up for your bathing suit if you're wearing this on vacation. So that's cute.
I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow you.
Just to let you guys know, I don't know the names of the outfits on the top of my head, but I will leave them in order as they are shown down in the description box. I love this fit. And look at that split.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if.
So I definitely wear this dress with a strapless bra, but it's super cute.
Are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for? Are you up?
Midi dress, I love it. It's very comfortable, it's breathable. I have it in a few different other colors. Previous purchase that I did get it in like 3 other colors. So this time I decided to get it in 3 more colors, and I absolutely love it. And it's very comfortable. If you're hot, you can just like roll up the sleeves and it looks really seamless. Love it.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah.
I love this neon orange. It's so cute.
That does the things that you do to me.
Again, you could roll up the sleeves and it looks just
I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games.
Of course, I got it in black. Can't go wrong with neutral colors.
I wanna ask you is, are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings.
Top, I absolutely love it. I saw this bodysuit and I couldn't resist, definitely because it's one side, it's a one sleeve, and you know it shows my tattoo. Paired with the same shorts as before. I absolutely love it.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Of course I would wear it with a strapless bra, but right now I can't find one.
The drama, cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
So I really wanted to try a button down, and I really like this button down. It's nice fitting. Again, I'll leave all the details down below on each item, but it's really cute. Compare it with these shorts or some skinny jeans, and I really like it. It's cute. You can open it up a little bit, make it a little bit more flirtatious. Yeah, I like it.
Go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
And again, you can't go wrong with simple white tees or simple t-shirts, so that's what I went ahead and purchased, some t-shirts. So this is the white one. I love the fit. It's nice and stretchy, fits the curves,
But when we
comfortable.
all bad all day, but the night get that good till we act right. So tell me when we on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
And again, if you're interested in my hair, these are knotless box braids that I did on myself. So if you're interested in seeing the tutorial, I'll leave it linked down below or up above in the cards for you to watch.
All night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go on.
Shorts, I love the asymmetrical look, so that's why I picked it up.
Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone, flex and hold it still and let
I was going for like an oversized jean jacket look. When I went on the site, I saw this one and I liked it. However, I was not sure of the sizing. For me, I usually go with like a large just for the longevity of the fit. But clearly, this is not it. I don't know, you tell me. It's a bit too oversized for me. The arm itself is way too big.
But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
Can't do it. Like fitting my, my body, if it's nice. It's just the arm.
Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
I don't know, I might just return it, but I do love the style of it. It's really cute. I really do like it. So this concludes my first SHEIN try on haul. Let me know down below which pieces you like, which one was your favorite, and also if you're interested in any of the outfits that I picked out, they will be linked down below for you to click on so that you can check them out for yourself. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment that down below so that I know, as well as show me by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video out with a few friends and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified once I post some more videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Babe, I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.